All right, so I currently have someone on the way to pick up this thing. I'm selling it, and I've come to really love this amp over the past few months, and I think I will probably end up with another one someday, but at the moment, I'm just trying to move some cash, have some other interests in mind, and so I'm gonna let this thing go, and I'll end up looking for one later, I'm sure. But before I did that, I actually realized that I hadn't taken any videos or sound samples of this, and there aren't a ton of them on YouTube. So I decided I was just gonna run through all the knobs in a bass setting, nothing fancy, pretty just kind of ad-libbed, and just run through the range of the knobs so you get an idea of exactly what this amp sounds like. And so I can look back and remind myself of why I did like this amp. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab a couple different guitars, and I'm gonna just run through the sounds of this, just have a few different sound samples from saturated to very clean. And it's not gonna be super organized, but if you want to hear what this amp sounds like through just some pretty ad-libbed playing, hopefully you get something out of this video. And as always, feel free to like and subscribe to this channel if you do like the video. It really helps this channel out.
you.